Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about division with a two-digit divisor. It's a lot like division with a one-digit divisor, except of course you're dealing with two digits and you have tens instead of just ones. So for today, the example I'm going to use is 235 divided by 15. And one thing that's important to remember is that because you have two digits in your divisor, you're going to put your first answer or your first number for your quotient two digits over into your dividend. So how many times does 15 go into 23? The answer is 1. So 15 times 1 is 15. Subtract. Okay, so then you do a little bit of borrowing there and you come up with 8 and bring down that 5. Then you have to figure out how many times does 15 go into 85. If you think about tens, this is a lot easier. So if you think about rounding 15 to 20, how many times does 2 or 20 go into 80? Or how many times does 2 go into 8? 4. That's a good starting point. When you do the math, you find out that you're off and you have to add some more into it. But 15 goes into 85 5 times. All right, 15 times 5 happens to be 75. When you take 85 minus 75, you're going to come up with 10. Now, there are no more numbers in the dividend to bring down, and so the last step in this problem is to write your remainder of 10. So 235 divided by 15 is 15 remainder 10. And of course we know that when we're checking our work, we take our quotient and multiply it by the divisor, and then we add in that remainder. So 15 times 15 plus 10 is going to give us a dividend of 235. We want to make sure that matches up with the dividend we started with, which is 235. So indeed, that is the correct answer. For your practice problem, I would like you to write down both of these. For practice today, I would like you to do 74 divided by 20 and 21 divided by 47.